Hello again. Today I'm going to be showing how changing the mass and changing the height of a building changes its natural frequency. So here I have this 4-story building. Each floor has, I'll show it really quick. Each floor has a total of 8 washers, okay? And first let's see how fast the first mode frequency is with 4-story with 8 washers on each floor. I have all these books down here to help weigh down the table, so I don't have to weigh it down myself. Let's go a little bit slower. So there we go, there's the first mode. Pretty slow. I'll go up to second mode just for kicks. There we go, second mode. There's a much higher mode right there. So, now, let's see if we cut the building in half. So I'm gonna make it a 2-story building. There we go. Let's see what that does to the natural frequency. So it's much faster than with the 4-story. Right there, there's the first mode. And then second mode, about right here. And then if we go to 1-story, so now we're going to cut it in half again. Let's see what that does. Very short building. This is like a warehouse. Much faster. And also much more violent. And the higher frequency doesn't affect it, digs down a little bit. There we go. There's its fundamental frequency, and it's dancing like crazy. Alright, now let's see what happens if we reduce the mass. So here I have a total of 8, so I'm just going to take 2 off on each side. So now we're going to cut the mass in half. See what happens. So it's much faster. Oh, did it break? Much faster than with 8. It did break it a little bit, actually. It was reaching the limits of it. Let's cut it down to just 2. So yeah, I'm going to take off 1 more on each side. So now it's very lightweight. All right, let's see what it does. Oh, it broke again. Let's try that again. It totally broke the columns. But as you can see, that the lighter the mass is, the higher the natural frequency. So if you add more mass to the building, it's going to have a lower natural, lower natural frequency. And also shorter buildings have a higher natural frequency. Now, it did break when we went to the lightest mass, but that's just because they have really large deformation. In reality, the lighter the mass is in the building, the smaller the forces from the earthquake. More mass is going to be, yes, a lower frequency, but there will be larger forces because force is mass times acceleration. So the acceleration might be lower, but the mass will be much higher. So yeah, so that's kind of how frequency changes with mass and heights of buildings. So if you have a very tall, heavy building, the natural frequency is going to be very, very low. And if you have a very light, short building, the natural frequency is going to be pretty high, generally speaking. So that's it for today. Thanks. Bye.